Hey, I'm Witchcrafty. To continue my Five Nights at Freddy's plushies, I decided to make a Chica plushie. Hopefully in the future I'll make a cupcake to go along with her, but Bonnie will definitely have to be next. Here's this of everything you'll need. Pause here if you need to. The pattern is available for free for my DeviantArt. There are 2 pages and it's the second link in the description. The first thing you need to do is take each foot tip and align it to the bottom of each of the outer legs and join it only along one longer width edge. Repeat for the second outer leg. Take both inner leg pieces and join the foot tips to each one. Place an inner and outer leg piece together with the tracing showing, and using orange thread to blend, join them together along the shorter width sides of the foot tips. Then, using yellow thread, sew the remaining sides of the legs together, leaving the top and bottom open. Repeat for the remaining 2 leg pieces. Then align the foot bottoms to each of the foot tips and sew them on. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Take 2 of the 4 body pieces and place them together with the tracing side up and join them together only along the longest curved line. Repeat with the last 2 body pieces. Place these body pieces together wrong side up and sew them along each straight edge except for the neck hole. Align each leg to the curved hole so that the seam is centered on the curve and sew them so it opens in the middle. Once both legs are joined, use the neck hole to flip the body upright and stuff it. Take one inner arm piece and one outer arm piece and place them together with the tracing showing, then join them only along the longer width sides. Repeat for the second two arm pieces. Align the handpiece to the straight edge of the arm and sew it on. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Repeat for the second arm pieces. Pin the arms to either side of the body and use an invisible stitch to join it. For the head, take two head pieces and place them together wrong side up and sew them together along the centre straight edge. Repeat for the second two head pieces. Before you join the head together, place two hair tuft pieces together, tracing showing, and sew them together leaving the straight edge open. Once done, use the straight edge to flip it upright and stuff it if you want to. Place both head pieces together, tracing side up, and begin joining them, leaving the neck hole open. Just before you reach the centre of the top, tuck the hair tuft in so it points inwards and join it in along the seam, then continue. When you reach the end, flip it upright and stuff it. Take each eye back and eye white and join the whites onto the centre using a running or a backstitch. Place the eye colours into the centre of the whites and sew them on using the same method. Lastly, sew the pupils into the very centre of the pieces that you just sewed on. Place both beak pieces together, tracing showing, and sew them around the curve, leaving the straight edge open. Once done, flip it upright and stuff it. Pin the eyes and eyebrows onto the head and sew them on using a backstitch. After that, join the beak using an invisible stitch. Pin the head to the body and sew them together using an invisible stitch. Lastly, for the bib, take one side and on the side with no tracing, use fabric paint or a fabric marker to draw in the words "Let's Eat." You can also embroider this in with a machine or by hand. Once it's dry, place both bib pieces together, tracing side up, and begin joining them together. When you've almost reached the end, leave enough gap to flip and flip it upright. Close off the remaining open edge with an invisible stitch. Then place this around the neck of the plush and seal both ends of the bib together. And that is how you make a Chica plush. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas like see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my videos, I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!